Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to exit maintenance mode. Now of course this is a Samsung TV, this is a Tizen TV. Now of course if for whatever reason your TV is in maintenance mode, and of course maintenance mode is meant for when your TV is sent in for repair, you'll have to actually place your TV in maintenance mode. It will hide your data and your apps and most of the advanced features on the TV. It will only allow the person who's doing the repair to have access to the main features. So for example, you'll notice there's no fancy desktop. The user profile is shown. However, you'll notice search and certain options are not working, or should I say they are limited. You don't see any quick settings. But if I come here, it will only give the person who's doing the repair access to stuff like your TV. So I can access TV to test the TV. I can go to settings and so on. Now, let me go back. Now sorry about that. Give me a second. Right, you can actually go into your settings. They do work, so the person can actually make adjustments. Now to exit maintenance mode, if you go to support, you notice maintenance mode is grayed out. You can't actually interact with it anymore because it's now active. All right, so to exit, it says here press menu button. So you're gonna press menu button, but you might think it means press or press and hold. It doesn't mean that. It simply means if you press once, it's gonna bring up this menu and you're gonna go there. You notice there's an exit option on your left. Sorry about that. So go here, and what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go ahead and hit exit. Now this is the key part. When you activated this mode, it required that you entered a password and that you confirm the password. There's no default password. For example, in my case, I had 4 zeros. So I'm going to enter again the 4 zeros. Now, if you do not know the PIN or the password, whoever set up the maintenance mode needs to give you the PIN or the password. So you're going to enter the PIN or the password. In my case, it's 4 zeros. And of course, it says rebooting now. Now, if you do not know the PIN, you need to figure out who placed it on the TV. If it was placed in error, you may have to try to guess that PIN. But of course, the PIN is usually entered by someone. And of course, it's a specific number. And of course, once you do, if it was a TV that was bought secondhand or whatever, you'll have to probably guess the PIN or contact the person who sold you the TV and actually make sure that they give you the PIN or you'll have a big problem because it cannot exit without the 4-digit PIN. As you can see, we are now back to normal. And of course, the home screen is shown. You can see apps and connections. The full suite is back and everything is working. All right, so that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.